Manchester United have reported been unhappy with David de Gea performance and are preparing to land Ajax goalkeeper Andre Onana and his replacement, according to the latest report. After months of negotiation, the Spanish signed a new 4-year contract worth around $375,000 per week with United in September. But according to Duncan Castle on the Transfer Window podcast, the Red Devils have been disastrous with the 29-year-old display in goals since he committed to his fresh deal. United are now open to selling David if they receive a stable offer and the club will be prepared to match the Spanish salary. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has the option of keeping youngster Dean Henderson, who has impressed during his long stint with Sheffield United this season, but it's claimed that United board are unconvinced that the 23-year-old is ready to be United regular first choice should Stoffer. Henderson has already made it clear that he wouldn't be willing to return to United in order to sit on the bench and would prepare another campaign on loan at the club where he will guarantee regular game time. If the Spanish does leave the Old Trafford outfit, Manchester United will make a fresh swap for Onana. Solskjaer's side has dealt $40 million after the Cameroon international rejected by Ajax last year, but the Red Devils have retained their interest and will make another offer the next transfer window. Also, they will face competition from Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur and Barcelona.